Fungi Fantasia, the Mushroom Chronicles, invites viewers into the fascinating world of mushrooms, exploring their diverse species, ecological importance, culinary allure, and the intriguing role they play in ecosystems and cultures around the globe. The documentary begins by introducing the kingdom of fungi, focusing on mushrooms as fascinating organisms that play a crucial role in nature. Explore the various types of mushrooms and their unique characteristics within the fungal kingdom. Take a journey to the forest floor, where mushrooms thrive in symbiotic relationships with trees and plants. Experts discuss the ecological importance of mushrooms in nutrient cycling, soil health, and their role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Delve into the world of mycology, the study of mushrooms, as scientists and enthusiasts share their insights into the incredible diversity of mushroom species. From delicate chanterelles to towering morels, discover the beauty and complexity of mushrooms. Explore the culinary magic of mushrooms in the kitchen. Chefs and home cooks showcase the versatility of mushrooms in a wide range of dishes, from savory entrees to vegetarian delights. Experience the rich flavors and textures that mushrooms bring to the table. Uncover the medicinal properties of certain mushrooms and their traditional use in various cultures. From immune-boosting properties to potential anti-inflammatory effects, experts discuss the health benefits associated with certain mushroom varieties. Explore the cultural significance of mushrooms in different societies. From ancient rituals to modern celebrations, mushrooms have played diverse roles in folklore, art, and religious practices. Discover the symbolic meanings attached to mushrooms in various cultures. Immerse yourself in the world of fungi expeditions, where enthusiasts and scientists venture into diverse ecosystems to study and document mushroom species. Witness the excitement of discovering rare and elusive mushrooms in their natural habitats. Fungi Fantasia, the Mushroom Chronicles, explores sustainable foraging practices and responsible mushroom harvesting. Experts discuss the importance of ethical foraging to ensure the preservation of mushroom populations and their ecosystems. Fungi Fantasia, the Mushroom Chronicles, concludes by celebrating the enchanting world of mushrooms. This documentary invites viewers to appreciate the ecological, culinary, and cultural significance of mushrooms, encouraging a deeper understanding and connection with these remarkable fungi.